So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fillers and Filters. I know that you haven't heard from me for quite a long time. Yeah, 2 weeks is a long time when it comes to updating your YouTube channel. Again, I'm Noella, and I just finished doing lecture for DepEd, for Department of Education, Division of Nueva Vizcaya, on quality assuring nonverbal communication, specifically in radio and TV based instruction. So they actually did it over Google Meet, and it was my first time to do a lecture on Google Meet, and I just wish to share with you my experience. It was a whole new experience for me. I mean, I've been doing lectures in person, face to face, and I've been lecturing online. I mean, I'm filming my lectures, that is, but somehow I found it awkward and weird to do a lecture, a synchronous lecture on Google Meet, and you're supposed to be in the presence of other people within the meeting, but you cannot really see their expressions. You cannot really see how they are responding to your message, that is. So it was kind of alien to me. Like when I'm doing my lectures, I mean, when I'm filming my lectures, somehow I am conditioned that nobody's going to respond to me because, well, nobody's here except for my kids and my cats, that is. So yes, so it was kind of awkward. It was kind of I don't know, or maybe also because it was for TV based and radio based instruction, which I am not really familiar with. I'm not familiar with how it goes, although surprisingly the way they process the learning materials is similar to producing a vlog. And by the way, because I actually tuned into the lectures of the different speakers about various aspects of production, I actually gained a lot of insights which I can use in producing videos for my vlog. So thank you, DepEd Nueva Vizcaya, for all those insights. For the speakers who were very informative, were very engaging, thank you so much. I actually forgot their names already, but yes, thank you so much for the insights that you have unselfishly shared with our teachers, with our quality assurance specialists, and of course to me personally. And I actually lectured for QAs, for quality assurance evaluators, and it was a very good experience. It was a very fulfilling experience for me because I've always been passionate about teaching. I've always been passionate about sharing what I can, especially for people who would need them. So yes, the experience was I don't know, I really hope that my audience was able to get something from my lecture, even though I really felt awkward almost the whole time of my lecture, but hopefully they still learned something. And of course, there's always a first time for everything. So hopefully I'll be more relaxed when I do my succeeding lectures, that is, if ever I'll be having more lectures in the future. But yes, I would like to thank the DepEd Nueva Vizcaya again for having me, and I really enjoyed my time lecturing, and hopefully you'll carry on with your endeavors to teach our students and help out parents who are also being burdened by these new normal in education. So again, thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. Hopefully I'll be able to come up with more videos, feel free to jot down on the comment section whatever topic you want me to discuss. So thanks again, everyone. Au revoir.